Hello student. Today we will do the combined equation of angle bisectors of the angle between a pair of straight lines. Suppose pair of straight line be ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is the equation of the straight line. I am drawing the figure here. So student, these are two straight lines. The red lines are the two straight lines whose combined equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Now you have to find out the bisector of angle between these two lines. Now these blue lines are the bisectors of the angle between these two red lines. So therefore this angle will be equal to this angle, and this whole angle is equal to this whole angle. Then these two lines are the bisectors of the angle between these two red lines. Student, obviously the lines, given lines whose combined equation is this, passing through the origin, they make the angle at the origin. So therefore the bisector of angles also will pass through the origin. So the combined equation of these two lines is also in the same form, in the form of homogeneous equation. Now if you suppose y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x are individual equation of two given lines whose combined equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, then we did in previous class m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h upon b, and m1 m2 is equal to a upon b. Now student, if the equation of the lines are y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x, then equation of angle bisectors is given by y minus m1x upon under root 1 plus m1 square is equal to plus minus y minus m2x upon under root 1 plus m2 square. Now we will cross multiply, we will squaring both sides, everything after doing, and then by substituting the values, these two, m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h upon b and m1 m2 is equal to a upon b, you will get finally in the form of x square minus y square upon a minus b is equal to xy upon h. This is the combined equation of the angle bisectors. Now student, you can remember this equation like x square minus y square. So in the denominator we will write coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square. Now here xy, so we'll write here coefficient of xy without 2. With the same sign, here it is written x square minus y square. So here it is a minus b. Now student, if you simplify it, then what you will get? See, cross multiplication, you will get here hx square minus a minus bxy minus hy square is equal to 0. So coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, when you find out, then you will get the result equal to 0. Result equal to 0, it means the angle bisectors are always perpendicular to each other. So this angle bisector and this angle bisector both should be perpendicular to each other. Now student, I am writing here some important tips, or you can say some important notes, that if you remember, then it will very helpful while you solve the questions. If A is equal to B, then the angle bisectors are, directly you can write x square minus y square is equal to 0. This is. Now, if h is equal to 0, then the angle bisectors are xy is equal to 0. Means, the meaning is the x-axis and the y-axis are the angle bisectors of the pair of given straight lines. Angle bisectors are always perpendicular to each other. Now student, if the combined equation of two straight lines is given by the general equation, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, then in that case equation of angle bisectors are, it's the same, just like x square minus y square upon a minus b is equal to xy upon h. It's as similar as that. It will be x minus x1 whole square minus y minus y1 whole square upon a minus b is equal to x minus x1 into y minus y1 upon h, where x1 y1 is the point of intersection of the pair of straight lines. And this point of intersection, how we will find out, where x1 y1 is the point of intersection of two given straight lines whose combined equation is this. And student, this x1 y1 you can find out by using the formula x1 y1 is same as hf minus bg upon ab minus h square comma hg minus af upon ab minus h square. So student, this you have to remember, this is the point of intersection which you have to remember. If you remember this formula, then well and good. Otherwise, what you will do, that first of all factorize this equation and write it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and again the second line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. You will get two straight lines, solve those two to find the value of x1 and y1, or by using this formula directly you can find out the point of intersection. Now student, I am writing here some important fact, some important notes that you have to remember, some important tips. The first one is, you know that if h square is equal to AB, then this line will be a pair of parallel lines. Pair of parallel lines, then the distance between two parallel lines is equal to 2 into root under g square minus AC upon A into A plus B. Or a student, you can remember like this also, 2 into root under g square minus AC upon A square plus h square, because h square is equal to AB, so when you open the bracket, this AB becomes h square. So you can remember in any way, 2 into root under g square minus AC upon A square plus h square, or you can remember 2 into root under g square minus AC upon A into A plus B. Now the second point is, here to get the pair of straight lines which are parallel to given pair of straight line ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, what we will do, we just write same a and b, but we will change the h. So it will be ax square